Welcome to another one of Kendra's card challenges, and you know it, we're on to number 13. And for this video hop, I'm excited to share with you another one of my Polkadoodles favorites, who is one of our super sponsors for this card challenge, and how I created sketch number 4. For those who don't know me, I'm Steph from Chaos in the Craft Room, and thank you so much for joining me and all the others on the hop today. The papers I'm using today is from the Love Always paper set, and these are the two that I'm using specifically for this card sketch. And I love digital downloadable papers, as you'll all know, just because it's easy to access no matter where in the world you are. You can get any company's digital downloadable papers, and you can keep printing them out until your heart's content. So you never run out of that favorite pattern paper. And for me, it really helps because sometimes I get afraid to use the pattern paper that I really like. I don't want to chop it up. I don't know why, because that's its purpose. But this really helps me. But having the digital downloadable really helps me just go ahead and craft. This is a digital downloadable stamp from Polkadoodles called Bunny Love, Your Love Lifts Me Up. And it actually comes as one image, and I've just fussy cut around them to make two separate images. But of course, if you have any of those fancy machines, you can get it to cut it out for you. I've had a lot of fun coloring this image in and made the balloons match the pattern paper. And the cute little bunny, I was worried I colored the face in a bit too dark, but it didn't turn out too bad in the end, and some white highlights there as well. And I just used some leftover pattern paper to fussy cut out some hearts for the little embellishments to add as my final touches on this card. And before I forget, if you are interested in the giveaway, make sure you check out my description box below, where there is more information about the giveaway and how you can enter and the form that you need to fill out. It is a digital giveaway from Kendra, and it's super easy to enter. But of course, don't forget everyone else who's in the video hop to also help you get some inspiration. And if you like this video, I'd absolutely love your support to hit the like and subscribe button. This time we are doing the hop a little bit differently, and there's now a hop playlist for you to easily access all the videos in this hop. So the link to that is in my description box below. But in the meantime, don't forget to join in the fun of Kendra's card challenges and get crafting yourself, maybe even while you're watching these videos. Let me know what your favorite sketch number is. I definitely do enjoy sketch number 4, but I haven't created all the cards yet, so that might change. Thank you so much for watching me at Chaos in the Craft Room, and I can't wait to see you next time.